Hey everybody, welcome back to Grow Your Channel. This is July of 2023. It's hard to believe that we've gotten this far on video in a video series. So this is 3 ways to make money with live streaming. So one of the first ways you can do is you can enable your super chat and super stickers. So if you have this available to you, and if these options are available, it's great. So with the super chat, your live stream viewers can send premium messages, meaning that they're going to pay for the messages that they send. So you definitely want to reach out to them when they do that and give them a big thumbs up, shout them out, or something of that nature. This will greatly increase the likelihood that you'll see them in time to respond. So basically what YouTube does with super chats is if they pay for the message, it's going to stand out and you can actually get to them and respond to them a lot quicker than it not standing out. Super stickers are similar, except that instead of sending messages, they can send exclusive stickers in the chat. Both features must be paid for by your viewers, which is how you earn money through them. In order to enable super chats and super stickers, your channel must be part of the YouTube Partner Program. To turn them on, navigate to the Monetization tab in your YouTube Studio. Next, click on these supers, then get started. From there, follow the on-screen instructions. The next one we're going to talk about is hosting exclusive live streams for your channel that are member only. It's kind of like use your live streams like a Patreon. And what I mean by that is, for the people who have paid memberships and things like that, do specific chats for them. Membership function is similar to fashion. Excuse me. The Patreon or other subscribers only content creation platforms. When you enable them on your channel, you can put exclusive content and rewards behind a paywall. So, and a great example would be we'll host a live chat for members only this weekend, or if you want to join in a live chat, you gotta join up, something of that nature. One of the best rewards that you can offer your channel members is exclusive live streams. This will give them a chance to interact with you in real time with a much smaller audience than your typical YouTube lives. So a great example would be Craig down there in Georgia. And I'll put a link down to his channel in the description box. He gets 137, sometimes 200 viewers on his live stream. So he could actually do a live stream membership and set aside, for those that really want to support him, support his channel, do the paid, and maybe it's 20 people that he gets in there, but that's 20 that, is really engaged, that he can sit down and take the time to engage. Just as an example. You can also upload the recording as a normal video, so you can monetize it as well. After your YouTube live broadcast conclusion, you can upload it to your channel as if it was any other video. Now, I'm watching a gun channel such as Gun Owners of America. They do this all the time. They'll do a live chat and they'll record it, and then later on they will go ahead and upload it as a normal video. So they're getting double the chances of making money. To get more views on your video, post a link as soon as you can. Let your viewers know that if they missed it, they'll be able to watch it, go back and watch it. If you don't want to clog your main channel feed with live stream recordings, then you might consider starting a second channel just for them. Live streams are a fun way to engage with your viewers and boost your income at the same time. We all have content creators that we would like to actually talk to more on a one-on-one basis, and this is a great way to do it. So with that, those are the 3 ways that you can make money off your super chats. So I will see you next Sunday. Stay armed, stay safe, and God bless. GoPro, stop recording.